Welcome students. Today we discuss about the closure property of the binary operation. So for binary operation we need two members from the set. A set is said to be closed. It should be closed under the binary operation star for any two members from the set if the result of the binary operation result a member in the set. Let us consider the set to be the set of real numbers. The notation for real numbers is R. Let us perform the addition operation. So 2 and 3 are real numbers. If you add 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, which is again a real number. So 5 also belongs to the real number. Therefore, the operation addition is closed. Let us see another example. 6 plus minus 9. The answer is minus 3. Minus 3 is also a real number. Therefore, in these two examples, we arrive that the addition operation is closed because the resulting answer belongs to the set. Hence, we can say that this is true for all real numbers. Now let us consider another example. Here I have taken the set to be only three numbers, 1, 2 and 3, and the binary operation star is defined by 2a minus b. We are asked to check whether S is closed under star. So, if you perform the operation, the result should be in the set. Let us perform the operation for 2 star 1. So, instead of A, I have to substitute 2. Therefore, 2A instead of A, 2 minus instead of B, the value is 1. So, 4 minus 1, the answer is 3. But 3 is a member of the set S. For this two members, the resulting answer is again in S. Now let us form the composition table. Composition table is nothing but we have to write the elements of the set along with the binary operation. The binary operation given is star. So it should be written in the corner, and the elements of the set are 1, 2, 3. It should be written row wise as well as column wise as the heading. So 1, 2, 3 are the members of the set. So we will take the left hand side should be the member of A, and the toppermost should be the member of B. So now let us perform 1 star 2 star 1. The answer is 3. If you perform 1 star 1, so 2 into 1 minus 1, the answer is 1. Again, if you perform 2 star 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 star 3 means 1. 3 star 2, 3 star 3 is 3. 3 star 2, the value of 3 star 2 is 1 star 2. 2 minus 2. The answer will be 0. Instead of A and B, if you substitute, the answer is 0. 1 star 3. The answer is 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 3 star 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. 4. 3 star 2 is 4. So the members in the red colors are not in the set A. Yes. Members in a red are not in S, because S contains only 3 elements. Therefore S is not closed. So for closed property, we have to get the result to be in the set under the operation star. Let us see another example. If S is equal to 0, 2, 4, A star B is defined as A plus B minus AB by 2. Now we are going to check whether S is closed under star. We have to form the composition table. So use the formula, and the left hand side elements to be the member of A and the toppermost to be the members of B. So 0 star 0, you calculate by 0 plus 0 minus 0 by 2, the answer is 0. So if you perform the operation, all the elements are in the set again. Therefore S is closed under the binary operation star. These are the two examples. Thank you, students.